Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need admin rights to change restore points, so sign in now and close unsaved files. Once signed in, open System Properties quickly. Right-click Start, choose System, click About, then System Protection on the right. Make sure you select the drive showing protection, on, usually C. This is the first actionable step because you must target the correct volume. Once done, we'll turn to the button that lets you delete existing restore data and manage disk usage. Now click Configure for the selected drive, hit Delete to remove all existing restore points and free space immediately. You're not done. Adjust the max usage slider to a smaller percent so future points use less disk, or slide to 0 if you want none. If you choose to turn off system protection, Windows will stop creating new points, but you'll lose recovery options. Make sure to confirm any prompts. This step cleans history and sets future behavior. Finish by clicking Apply, then OK to commit the deletion and configuration. If the delete button fails or points persist, reboot and retry as an administrator. Sometimes, a running service locks shadow copies. You can also run disk cleanup, choose more options, and remove system restore, and shadow copies there to force cleanup. Make sure to verify free space afterward and re-enable protection if you want future restore points with a controlled max usage setting.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.